Hello, this is Gretchen. Welcome to your AM Affirmations for replacing your trauma with your true self. 30 days to a happier you. Your body is mostly water, and water holds memory. Let it hold the right memories and reprogram it to who you were meant to be before you had to survive this life. Before we begin, I'm going to invite you to get your room ready. Lower the lights, light some incense or mugwort. Make sure you have some juice, tea, or water nearby. Set your phone notifications to silent and make sure any alarms you need are set as well. And go ahead and get snuggled in, making sure you're going to be as comfortable as possible for the next little bit. Please acknowledge that you are receiving Reiki, and please do not do this video if you are pregnant or have schizophrenia. I am beautiful. I am strong. I trust my own mind. I am unique. I am a well-liked and pleasing person. I respect myself and others. I am awesome. I am the best judge of what is best for me. Good things continually happen to me. I am amazing. I am smart. I am genius. I am intelligent. I trust my own thoughts. I am inhaling confidence and exhaling fear. I love myself unconditionally. I am powerful. I appreciate life with all of my heart. I am growing. I give myself time to heal. I am healing. I am whole. I am love. I am independent. I am worthy. I am amazing. I am happy. I allow myself to be who I truly am. I am light and at ease. I let people who do not grow with me leave my life easily. I go with the flow. I release all negative thoughts. I love myself. I trust myself. I respect myself. I attract positive, healing energy. My body is calm. I deserve all that is good. My happy thoughts help me create a healthy body. I deserve a peaceful and loving life. I release worries and fears. I am love. I am strong. I am brave. I am intrepid. I am balanced. I release ego and control. I trust my instincts. I can say no, and know I am still loved. I love myself as I am. I express myself the way I want. I accept myself. The right people will vibe to me. I love my body. My mind is calm and peaceful. I am curious. I am inventive. I am ingenious. I am a natural at new things. I am a warrior. I am an amazing human full of talent and love. I am whole. I am unique. I allow myself to heal. I am happy. I am powerful. I am a healer. Good things continually happen to me. I appreciate life with all of my heart. I trust myself. I love my brain and my body. I am a unique individual. I am balanced. I am calm. I am healed. I am whole. I am love.